Looks like they're both smoking now.
Yeah. Not just, ooh, look underneath that one wheel. It looks like, is there a flame?
Yeah, I think so now.
I think there's a flame now. There has to be. Oh my gosh, come on, dude.
Why would you drive this shit?
That's stupid. That's a driver that don't pay attention to his vehicle.
Oh, he's paying attention. He probably does not want to stop. Trying to get that money. We'll follow him until the cops get him. Shouldn't have that on the road.
No, that should not be on the road. Is he going faster?
Yep.
Is that thing probably making a lot of noise too up there?
I don't know. I'm not driving
I know.
He's gonna have a fire.
Yeah, he is.
If he doesn't already.
I know, because I can't really, it looked like it, but I can't tell. Now that it keeps going like that. What was that?
I don't know what that was, but it came off the truck.
Oh, there's a fire. There's a fire.
There's fire.
Oh shit. Yes, there's a fire.
There's fire now.
Oh my god. Yes, it's fire. Oh, that's bad. That's fire.
Come on, 911 lady.
Come on, there's flame.
Why does 911 put you on hold?
I don't know, but that's a flame now.
That's definitely, I knew it. I mean, and the guy just keeps fucking driving. What an idiot. Hello, lady.
Hello, you got to answer that
How does
phone.
911 put you on freaking hold?
I don't know. Is she there?
I don't know. Trying to tell her he's on fire now. No.
Oh my god. I hope she's there.
Hello? Oh my god. She don't even know where we are now. It's been 5 miles.
No, exactly. That guy noticed that.
Yeah. Oh, he's on fire.
Oh,
good
he
now.
is. He's on fire.
What an idiot.
I would be
You
stopping.
can't see that in your mirrors?
I'm sorry.
Oh my.
Wait, sir.
Hey,
Oh,
he's on fire
He's
now.
on fire.
Is he driving?
Yes.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
won't stop.
Okay, where are you now?
Okay.
We're coming down into Minerva at the 40-mile-an-hour zone.
Okay. I let Minerva know they should have somebody
It's
standing by there.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
we're-
Oh gosh,
we're
he's
behind
got
him. He's
stuff.
got-
Now coming into Minerva, who I did notify.
Okay.
That it is on fire.
Whew, he's got
Okay.
stuff coming off.
There's
of there.
the cop.
There
Got
he
him.
is. Okay.
He got him.
Got it?
Yep.
Whew.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Bye.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
I hope he gets
Cop
some.
got him.
I hope he gets.
Why didn't he come up 30? They knew where we was at. Mile markers.
Should I put this down?
She should. No, keep.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay. Whoops.
Get it.
I knew something was.
I knew some ain't right. What do you think? What do you think the camper's gonna look like? Tree fell through it, or
No,
think that back thing leaked?
I don't know.
I hope not. You got the camper key?
That's one thing that I do not have, so we won't be able
Are
to
you
look. I didn't even think about it till right now, so we won't be able to look in it. We can look around it.
Is she kidding me right now? I don't even own a camper key. She has a key, and the key lock box has a key.
Yeah, we forgot it.
I guess I need to stash a key in my truck.
I think you need to, because I take my car all the time. I just thought about it halfway.
Oh man,
I
it's
just
always in
thought
her
about
car. You said if we take my car, it's almost out of gas. Look at all the rain we got. That pool
Yes.
gonna need cleaned up. Well, it looks
still
good up there.
intact.
It's still intact up there. We'll go check it out.
Still intact.
We'll go check it out. We're gonna stop here at the office.
There's Norma, I think.
And
no,
see.
that's not Norma.
We'll stop here at the office.
Yep, go in there and see them.
Canopy, so I don't really care.
No, that was our old one.
Well, so far we have one casualty.
Yeah.
That's all right. This canopy is 6 years old. It's about time to be replaced anyway, so not a big deal there. We just won't leave them up next year. I didn't even think about them big trees. Hopefully nothing hit the camper. Oh yeah, we good?
These are still intact, which is good.
Or yeah,
Yes.
makeshift. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this one this year.
Yeah, because this one's the one that leaks all the time.
I'm hoping that it didn't leak.
I hope not. We can't really look.
I didn't lock here. We can look. Oh, I did lock them.
Did you lock them?
I locked them?
Obviously you did.
I guess I locked them, guys. Guess I locked them.
It don't look bad out here.
No. Told you. Where's the green rug at?
Right there.
No, the green rug.
The green one. It might be inside. I don't know unless we have it under there.
We didn't put it inside.
I don't know.
Did we lock this?
Yeah, we locked it.
I don't know if you guys can see in there. Oh yeah. Looks good in there. I don't see no water on the floor or nothing.
That's a good sign.
Guess we'll find out. No wet ceiling. That's good. This has the aluminum roof on it. It don't have that crappy rubber roof. Well, this is the only thing.
Just branches.
Just branches. We'll get out here. We got some firewood now. Heck yeah. Well, this, we'll have to take this apart and
Yeah, I think that's done.
it's done. It was old. That's
It
why I
was.
didn't.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't mind leaving it up, because I figured if we could have got another season or so out of it, it would have been all right. But yeah,
It's all right.
that canopy, it's got holes all through it. It never
Yep.
leaked though,
No, it didn't.
even through the holes. So we'll keep the canopy though, just to cover up stuff out here.
Yep.
I think. Yeah. How's Ronnie's camper going? That's Ronnie's. It was new.
Ronnie's
No,
don't look
no
bad.
casualty there. Dog leashes are still up.
Yep.
Nothing wrong with Ronnie's.
No.
I'm gonna have to get a ladder and get all the little sticks off the roof.
Yeah.
So guys, we went and seen the camper, and we only had one casualty, which was like a 6 or 7 year old canopy. So I'm not upset about that. We were looking into getting a new canopy this year anyway for out there, and we'll just take them all the way down next year. But we were kind of in a hurry last year. It was a last minute thing. It is what it is. 1%.
1%.
No, I got a phone. Laura wants ice cream, guys. Malvern ice cream, Dairy Queen. It's the best Dairy Queen around.
Yes.
Best one.
The
I know
best.
everybody's like Dairy Queen, Dairy Queen. Yeah, it's the best one. It's a little different than your regular Dairy Queens. So definitely go get you an ice cream there. If you know about this Dairy Queen, you know. If you don't know, I'm sorry. Best Dairy Queen
Ever.
ever, hands down, period. They do things differently. They have since I grew up in Malvern,
Yes.
and yeah, so this was the go-to spot when I was a teenager.
We used to come here all the time too.
Yep, riding our bikes to the park right there.
Well, we used to go camping where we camp now.
Yeah,
And we
yeah.
came here all the time.
We used to
when
go
we were here.
swimming there. We didn't camp there. We went swimming there, where we camp now. But Malvern Dairy Queen, it's
Best.
just, yeah, best. I knew somebody who grew up in that house. Oh man, I knew a lot of people, man. Things changed here. I kind of don't like Malvern anymore. There's a lot of things changed. It's not the same. Nothing is the same anymore. We used to have a lot of fun, man. A lot of fun. Yep. Ride our bicycles because we lived down by Fox's. We lived down there. We used to ride our bicycles all the way up here.
Yep.
And summer heat, I mean, like it's hot now, you know? It'd be 80, 90 degrees, summer heat. We'd be dead before we got here.
Of course.
And we'd get ourselves a freaking vanilla ice cream cone.
Yep.
Liquor up, baby. Liquor up. Yep, lots of things have changed. Laura, we going camping next weekend?
Sure.
We got to bring the golf cart out next weekend? Golf cart's finished. Oh, no. Golf cart's going riding with us. It ain't coming out until we come back.
Yeah.
So yeah, golf cart is gonna go riding with us as long as I can get it in the back of a truck or something, and then do that. But all right, guys, we're gonna close this one out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out and God bless.